A little bit about using an ultrasonic pest repellent in order to get rid of termites in problem areas that you may have. I got several relatives who've had issues with termites, and they had to hire an exterminator, and it would cost like $800 to $1,000 to treat like a problem area. My mother lives like in Virginia, and she like stacks wood in her basement near her fireplace, and it attracted termites. She had to spend like $800 to get rid of it. But the ultrasonic pest repellent, any brand, will really work well with getting rid of termites. And what it does is it sends a vibration. So for example, if you have it on a wall like this, what it's going to do, it's going to blink, and then it's going to hear like a little pounding sound. You could barely hear it as a human, but for insects, it's like this. And it's super annoying to the termite. So what you do, what I'd recommend if you have a problem area, if you've witnessed, if you've seen termites, a lot of times if you have a power outlet right next to it, that's even better. But if you see them like they're eating, and you can see them, the little termites, if you can physically see them, if you have them in the attic or on the side of the wall or whatever, you can treat them with an ultrasonic pest repellent. But what I'd highly recommend doing is like using an extension cord. Like if you don't have an outlet near the area, and what you can do is just place it like this, and then you can like put it near the problem area or on an attic, really close to it, and just really closely observe it. Make sure that you do see a reduction in the termites. And I'll go ahead and put a link to where I get these that are really working well. They've worked for me. They've worked for other family members. After my mom had that issue, and they've worked wonderfully. These repellents will also get rid of rodents, mice, squirrels, and it'll get rid of insects, palmetto bugs, fleas. These things are worth their weight in gold. I've used them to get rid of palmetto bugs in the south, and they're just awesome to have. I have like 4 or 5 in my home in different locations just to get rid of different insects and things like that, and mice. So it's worth a shot. As far as it being safe for animals, you can use them around dogs, cats, birds. The only pets that you can't have this around, of course, is like tarantulas or spiders or gerbils or hamsters or any kind of rodent like that. If you could save $500 to $2,000 in extermination fees, it's worth giving this a shot. Now, I would highly recommend that you keep a constant eye on the problem area, and then maybe get in a professional after they're all gone, just to make sure that they're all gone. But I mean, what do you have to lose? I mean, for something like this, it could save you literally hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So just give it a shot. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.